Hey everyone, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to connect your Amazfit Pop 3R with your Android device. So let's begin. Now first, in your Android device, go to Play Store and then search for the Zip app. So ZEPP. Now scroll down and then you will find something like the Zip Active. So you need the Zip Active app. Let's click on it and then install the Zip Active app. Alright, so the Zip Active app has been installed. Now we need to open the Zip Active app, open the application, and then you need to select region or something. So let's select the region. Just click on Start Using, click on Next, and then we need to click on Search for Devices. Now make sure to allow all the permissions. Now Bluetooth is not enabled, confirm to enable Bluetooth, and as you can see, the Bluetooth is now enabled. And now we need to go back and search for device again. And as you can see here, Amazfit Pop 3R has popped up. So here in our watch, you can see that the Bluetooth is not connected. However, if on the device I click on Amazfit Pop 3R over here, then it will wait for confirmation. And as you can see, the Bluetooth was connected and here it's prompting for connection. So click on the tick icon on your watch face and then pairing will be successful. And now you can see that there is a blue Bluetooth icon on the watch face and your phone interface will look kind of like this. And now to make sure that your app is always active in background, you need to enable background permission. You can just go enable it here. So after you go to enable, in my option, I can find it in battery usage, and then I'll find it on background power control. And from here, you can select background power smart control or allow background power usage. Now this is the best usage option so that your app is running 24/7 and making sure that your watch gets all the notifications. Now you can just go back from here and then click on finish. And then here it's smart reminders. Make sure that you are turning these on so your reminders will be reaching your watch accordingly. And now let's click on finish and make sure you allow everything, and then you can see that. So guys, thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more helpful videos like these in the future.